Good morning from Kuantan. Today we're gonna explore the Kuantan city. I don't know what's going on here, but there is so many Polish motorbikes here. They have a nice Hondas. We're gonna explore the Kuantan city and let's see what else day is gonna bring to us today. Just wake up, needs coffee. So we're gonna start with the breakfast, but we're gonna go outside having a breakfast somewhere. First, it's nice to make a video when you're going for breakfast somewhere. Second of all, the lines in the hotel are so horrendous. They are so busy for the breakfast right now in the hotel. Gonna have a breakfast in one small place. It's called Lutz, and this is the city center of Kuantan. Actually, not much is going on. They are holidays. But actually, maybe it's so for some people it's even better because KL is so busy. You go travel somewhere far, it's so quiet. Also, what is it? I'm gonna show you. There's like a very nice mural street here. I just found, wow, that's the nice actually walking street over here. Here we go. So this is like a huge mural here. Not sure what represent, but the whole entire building is painted. That's the little coffee shop. I'm gonna show you inside. They have a coffee machine. They have pastries. All what you need, some books, you know, regular stuff. Hello. Good, hi, good morning. So my friend ordered for breakfast the nasi lemak, but check this out. This is very spicy stuff, very spicy. But I have something more sweet. You know, I will not handle the spicy nasi lemak for that. But also we have here a chicken pie and the quiche, also the chicken one, I guess. And of course, hot cappuccino, forgot to mention, looks very decent. This is actually called Kuantan Art Street, Green Apple Hour 2022. Interesting. Basically, one walking street, still empty at morning. This is actually the big difference between other cities in Malaysia and Kuantan, as everything is so cozy actually over here. Also, you cannot drive a car or motorbike, especially, guys. This is very important. The fine is 500 ringgit. That's like equivalent of $100 US. And also vandalism is 2,000 ringgit. That's a lot of fines. That's why it's organized. Also, this mural is pretty nice. Kuantan or Kuantan or Kuantan. Actually, I don't know how the pronunciation, but this is it. And this is the police station, by the way. And this is like a central location in Kuantan. There is the tower. Some people fishing at morning, enjoying their time. That's actually very nice promenade. This is the river. This is not the lake or ocean or anything. It's the river. And there's the tower, obviously. Kuantan, that's the name of the place. And well, we're gonna show you a little bit of the city center of Kuantan today. The one thing is for sure here is very, very quiet. That's without doubts. Even their holidays, but maybe it's just too early. There's the bridge connecting the river. I don't know, that's some condominiums, I think, something modern. And obviously Kuantan, the people fishing, tower, old tree, and pretty, that's it. Let's see if he can find some fish, but not this time, unfortunately. But the water must be full of fishes because he have like 3 rods here. By the way, this tower is called Kuantan 188. There's Merdeka 118. This is the Kuantan 188. Very interesting. Also, this is the main street, Jalan Besar in Kuantan. There are a few coffee shops, not only the one where we were, obviously. And this town is a little bit also tourist oriented. The loud Honda Civic here. You can buy the registration and there is like a souvenir shops, few coffee shops, but after that there's very cozy vibe in the Kuantan city. That's how does it look like around the architecture, and everywhere there are some paintings. And also this is the food street, but I think all the stars are at night. And overall, looks the city of Kuantan. That's it. Very small town. We have still quite a lot of time, so we're gonna go to see one beach. Actually, there are nice beaches in the in the east coast of Malaysia. Mostly that's for what people are coming here. And this is the esplanade here, like a little city park where you can just simply enjoy your time with your kids and can have a walk. Overall, most of the people who coming to Kuantan, they are people from Kuala Lumpur who just simply want to escape hustle and bustle from the big city life, especially if you just have a 4 hours drive and you want to go by car, because especially if you have a family or something, this is the great place for you. And it is quiet, and most of people actually enjoy it. It is so quiet. Even there is so much opportunities to make the city more busier and build so many resorts, they want to keep it actually quiet. So, well, that makes sense. And, well, that's the name of the place in case if you would like to locate on the Google Maps. Also not sure what's going on, but the Skula cakes, there's so many people queuing outside in the heat. That's interesting. Here we go, check this out. A little bit of the situation here in Kuantan city. Also very interesting fact is as they are still these merchants who are working on their shoes. You can fix your shoe. They have a little stall on the street like this one. Here we go. And you can fix, hello. And this is actually very cool, and this is a little bit of the traditional stuff. And this is just actually, I didn't realize that, but this is where we had the coffee, and this is the Green Apple Art Street. They just open after we go, and now nobody is on the street actually. There's the coffee machine, very nice coffee shop. Coffee machine is like, I mean, coffee machine, that's the name of the place. Actually, this is like, you can sit here. This is the Pantai Belok Beach. We were here yesterday, but I filmed everything at night. But now is the daytime. I want to show you the beach and environment around. And this is it, this is the beach. I'm gonna tell you, I'm alone here. Nobody is here. The beach is pretty nice, clean. Not much is going on, but this is exactly why people want to come here. Also, this is like just 10 minutes from the Kuantan city in that direction, so it's very nearby. Yesterday's seafood we have there. Where is the, oh, exactly there. That was the restaurant, but was night, so I couldn't show you anything. And that's the beach. And that's the beach itself, facing the Kuantan city. Just empty. And yeah, that's the coffee place, and everything is still sleepy at morning like. Also, it's the holidays, but generally it's very, very quiet over here, and that's the roads, how they are look like. We're gonna come back to the hotel, gonna have a lunch and explore a little bit more. All right, it's after 12 and we are already checked out, but it's super, super hot. I think I don't need to tell you about that. So I think the Starbucks break, having a coffee, especially last night I slept only like 5 hours because I had to edit the video and everything. Which is actually every night is like that. That's why I look tired, but I'm fine, totally fine. I'm gonna show you the mall. This is one of the malls here, and our hotel was actually just over there, so walking distance. Pretty convenient location actually, in the city center of Kuantan. Alright, it's time for some coffee, and there's the Starbucks. Starbucks are good because there is the air conditioning inside, you know what I mean? This is very important. They also have some other restaurants, but Black Canyon coffee shop also, Victoria's Secret, Starbucks, and there is the Nando's, also A&W. Of course, regular stuff. Inside the mall is the aircon, of course, but there is the Disney exhibition, 100 Years of Wonder. So yeah, quite a lot of people. But yeah, malls in Malaysia are very, very important. More important than you may think. Also, the food options are in the mall. Ayam Penyet must be, Kenny Rogers Roasters, and Sushi King also perhaps. Everything is very busy actually. Malls in general are busy. This is the reason, because it's very hot. Juice, Boost, and there is the Johnny's restaurant. All restaurants have a kiosk outside, right? Not that bad, not yet, but yeah, this is it. Well, but it's one of the best places to have a lunch or dinner, but lunchtime, because obviously it's super hot outside, as I mentioned already many times. So yeah, this is the mall, just in case you would like to come, you know there is it. Even the artisan is there. Alright, Korean barbecue chicken arrived. Look at this flames coming right now. And this is the one of the Korean restaurant here. Lunchtime. And another dish is coming, I think, to me. Here we go. Let's see what we have here. Beef stew arrived here. Everybody have a different dish, so this is how it looks, the one of the sets. And this is the kimchi stew. Here we go. For you still waiting, and for me waiting. For me, the fish udon arrived. Udon is the fat noodles, by the way, and also some nice sauces here. Here we go, the full plate. And the last thing is kimchi ramen. Also looks very good. Everything looks very good today. All right, bon appetit, smart go. This is the Korean pancake, cool spice or something like that. We are after lunch, so now is the time for the dessert. Durian feast. If Winny will be right now for breakfast, she will very enjoy it. Unfortunately, I'm not eating durians, and I'm not gonna try on this occasion either. I tried many times, just don't like it, but I'm gonna show it because Malaysian durians are actually one of the best in the world. Here we go, that's the durians, many types with the prices, small one like this one and the bigger ones. Here we go, many people stopping to having them. That's just on the side of the street. Very typical to Southeast Asia. Here we go. This is how it looks like when the durian is open. And what's the type of the durian actually is this? No, it's okay guys. You eat, enjoy. You guys eat and enjoy. I'm not gonna carry on this one. But look at the cat. Cat also gonna eat the durian. So the name of this durian, the type of the durian is IOI. I don't know exactly what is the difference because I'm not eating, but it's not so smelly. Actually, you don't really have, you cannot feel actually any kind of smell. So it is how it is. And overall, I'm gonna tell you, you just go out from the Kuala Lumpur and the big cities and you can find very local vibes, similar to Indonesian vibe actually. And the durians, of course, just different kind of the durians, as you can see. They also have a very small seeds after you eat the meat. So overall, if you ask, the style looks like this one. Very similar to like other countries in Southeast Asia. Very Asian vibe, by the way. Alright, so we're going back to Kuala Lumpur from the Kuantan. How's the durian? All good, huh? Yes. Good taste of the durian? I'm the only one person who didn't eat the durian here, and I'm gonna tell you, I don't know what kind of durian is, but you don't really feel the smell. And I'm gonna have a dessert, which will be a coffee somewhere on the gas station, on the petrol station. Probably we're gonna pull over. So I'm gonna show you also a little bit from the road. See these hills at the front of me. That's actually Genting Highlands. Already you can see we are kinda near to Kuala Lumpur, but still 1.5 to 2 hours. Alright, we just arrived to the resting zone where it's Petronas, McDonald's and so many shops and all of this stuff. It's so busy due to the holidays. We are driving already like 3.5 and still have like a 1.5, maybe 2 hours back to KL. But definitely worth the trip. There are so many bears, and this is nearby the Genting Highlands actually. So yeah, I just wanted to show you, by the way, how the resting zones looks here in Malaysia, nearby Kuala Lumpur. Actually, they are big. You can buy many things. They are little stalls. You can buy some fruits. You can rest. Motorbikes, you know, they have a cruises because it's the weekend. And yeah, there's just so many bears. I hope so they're not gonna, you know, poo on me. Also very fancy looking McDonald's, by the way. Also Petronas petrol station is there. This is actually Petronas pit stop. I showed you before. So yeah, this is it. Always remember, if you're gonna come to Malaysia during the holidays, it's gonna be definitely busy. But even it's busy, even it's gonna be a traffic jam, and you're gonna spend more time on the road, I warrant you, I've been in Malaysia many times, you will never stuck in the traffic jams like you stuck in Bali. That's 100% true. The traffic jams in Bali are probably the worst right now in whole entire Southeast Asia. Seriously, like guys, I think Jakarta even don't have a traffic jams like this one. So Malaysian traffic jams are just alright. They are just moderate, I could say. toilets, have a showers what you can use, and of course no smoking, and the regular toilets. Definitely clean, don't worry about that. So that's the highway, that's the Petronas gas station, that's the parking area, the toilets are there, and there are also plenty of choices of food if you are hungry. Of course the local cuisines, you're not gonna get any. McDonald's is there actually, but if you like the local food you can find over here as well. So there's McDonald's and we park there. This is the, well, where I show you the toilets are over there. And here you have a sweet potato as well if you would like to have, of maybe some other stuff. Wah, berangan goreng, something fried. This one, and corn as well. Steak for dinner, Syrian, the salmon, and what is yours?
The filet cut.
Filet cut? Alright, oh, this is the filet cut. I was thinking to take between this one, and the T-bone over here also. Oh, looks very good, very nice ambience. One of the oldest steak houses in Kuala Lumpur.